in our how to make series, we're going to show you how to make this into this. What's up, y'all? It is Breakpoint. Today, we're going to show you how to make Loco Moco. Stay tuned, and you'll be able to make this in just a sec. All right, folks, so we're at the stove. I buttered my pan already. I'm going to throw the hamburger meat in just like that. Don't be scared to press it down a little bit. Make sure it doesn't shrink on you. I'm going to throw a couple more in there if I can fit them. All I did was mix a pound and a half of hamburger meat with half an onion. We saved the other half for the gravy. And you can put mushrooms in this gravy, but we don't have mushrooms right now, so we didn't put them in there. But we're going to let these cook, and then we'll be back. All right, folks, our hamburger patties are done. Now, you're just going to set it aside, right? Leave this heat on because we're going to make our gravy out of this. So now what I have is I have a 1.5 cups of beef broth, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in here. So in goes that. I'm going to get some more water, fill this up, and then get rid of the rest of the cornstarch. Just like that. Now in goes the rest of our onion that I told you to save from earlier. And we're just going to let this cook until it thickens up, like a gravy almost. I got some extra onions from the hamburger patties that I had mixed earlier. Don't want to waste it, so I'll put it in there. All right, and we're going to let the onions cook, and also let the gravy thicken up, and we'll be back. All right, folks, now that it's come to a little bit of a boil, turn the heat down a tiny bit, turn it to like a little simmer, let the cornstarch thicken up. Onions are cooking as well, so just set that aside, and now we're going to make our eggs. Okay, so now we're going to make a fried egg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season the bottom of the pan, and I got butter on it already, some salt and pepper. Crack an egg right on top. I got 2 of them going. You don't want to break the yolk, but what you can do is you can condense it a little bit, right? Eggs, I personally like sunny side up for the Loco Moco. Some people like over easy, some people like scrambled. You can do whatever you like. These are almost done. I'll let them cook for a little bit more, and I'll plate it up and show you what it looks like. All right, folks, we are done making the Loco Moco. It is time for the taste test. If you don't know how to make rice, there will be a link in the description showing you how to make rice step by step, super easy. But let's dig in. Oh yeah, get all that runny yolk on top of my hamburger meat and rice. I love Loco Moco. The recipe will be in the description. Super delicious. Definitely give it a try, y'all. Like and comment, subscribe to the video. Let us know how yours went. Enjoy.